Alright, today our problem is that this microwave is working well, but it had stopped rotating. The tray had stopped rotating. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to fix it. Some people, they just throw it away and buy a microwave, but today you're going to learn that it's fairly easy to fix the problem. So what you're going to do is, like, we're going to unplug the microwave because you don't want to have any kinds of electrocution problems. So we unplug it. We take this tray out or plate, take the ring out, and then we move this forward and kind of like tip it upside. There. Alright, I'm going to show you something here. I already cut this here before, but if you're just starting to fix your own microwave, you're going to need to cut these areas right here before you could open the door. Okay? So now I already cut that because I need to see the motor inside so I can get the part number, and I ordered it, and it took me, you know, like about a good 4 to 5 days for the part to come, and now the part is here. So now we're going to unscrew the door. Here we are, using a Phillips screwdriver. And the door opens, right? As you can see, there's a motor here. The part number is written right here. It's hard to see, but it's if you look closer, you'll be able to see. When you order, that's what you type in, is part number, or somewhere around here, but mine is right there. So now we're going to replace this motor. Okay. So I have the new one right here. Because that motor had died. I ordered it with a specific part number that's compatible with this microwave. And there it is. That's supposed to be the brand new replacement. Okay. So what you first need to do is start like there. So we remove that Phillips screwdriver. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we remove the screw. Alright, so take this one out. I'm gonna put this side by side like that and just kind of like inspect. It looks very identical. So what I'm gonna do is just take the connector one at a time. Alright, I have to kind of like lift up both of the lip of this connector because they kind of like probably clamped it together and it was tight. Okay. So I removed the sleeve a little bit and just pulled that out. Alright, this is the old one, it's no good. And we hooked that up to the new one. Like, I can't see. Can you stand over here closer? The shadow is covering this. I'm going to change your angle. There we go. Alright, there we go. See, now we hooked that up. And I tighten it up using this plier. Just tighten up. And then we kind of slide all this sleeve back on to cover the whole thing. That. There. And do the same thing here. Okay. You could kind of push that down a little bit more if you want. All right. So, all right. Here we go. Now that we hooked up the new one, okay. Now we put that back over here. Put this back in that hole in the middle. In this one. Kind of fits in there. Yeah. Then the screw. We're gonna put the screw back. Hopefully this I won't drop the screw again. I'm putting this. Wow. See that? It's almost so easy to drop. It's so small. Right here. Look at this. Are you lighting it? Mm-hmm. And just tighten up that one screw. There, see? It stays in place, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're gonna test it before we even put the door back or anything like that. So I'm going to kind of like just put this over like this, plug it back in. Kind of push this down to fit. There. Let's see if it works. Alright, you're going to film that and we'll see. Alright, ready? Alright, now we all put all that stuff back there, the tray. We close it and we test it. Alright. And we're hopefully, but I know it's gonna work. The plate starts rotating, because if it's not rotating when you heat up the food there, it usually only heats one side and the other one remains cold. If it rotates, it evenly heats up the food or whatever you put in the microwave. So let's start by close. And as you can see, it's rotating, and it's kind of hard to see, but so you can see that it's rotating. I'm gonna put something in there. All right, hopefully we'll see better. See it rotating? Huh? And that's how you fix it, folks. Okay, now that we tested it and I unplugged the microwave again so I can close the door. Reconnect the door to where it's supposed to go. See? There. See this? Goes in there. Just like that. And just put that screw in there. And then you use our Phillips screwdriver to kind of like tighten up. There you go, and it's done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time around. You'll have a nice week.